Welcome to Pop Culture and Technology channel. In this video, I will explain what is AirDrop and how to use this function on Apple devices. AirDrop is perfect function to fast send and receive photos, videos or more with other Apple devices that are nearby. Before you begin, make sure that person you are sending to is nearby and within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. Check that you and the person you are sending to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on. Remember to have this option, personal hotspot, turned off. Check if the person you are sending to has their AirDrop set to receive from contacts only. If they do and you are in their contacts, they need to have your Apple IDs, email address or mobile number in your contact card for AirDrop to work. If you are not in their contacts, have them set their AirDrop receiving setting to everyone in order to receive the file. You can put your AirDrop receiving setting to contacts only or receiving off at any time to control who can see your device and send you content in AirDrop. To choose it, go to Settings, then tap General, tap AirDrop, then choose an option. There are three options to choose from. Receiving off, you won't receive AirDrop requests. Contacts only your contacts can see your device. And everyone, all nearby Apple devices using AirDrop can see your device. When you set your AirDrop option to everyone in iOS 16.2 or later, your option reverts to contacts only after 10 minutes. If you see receiving off and can't tap to change it, go to Settings, Screen Time, then tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap Allowed Apps and make sure that AirDrop is turned on. Now let's talk about how to use AirDrop. If you share a photo from the Photos app, you can swipe left or right and select multiple photos. Then tap the AirDrop button and tap the AirDrop user that you want to share with, or you can use AirDrop between your own Apple devices, like I am doing it right now. Tap the AirDrop button, then tap the user that you want to share with. When someone shares something with you using AirDrop, you'll see an alert with a preview. You can tap Accept or Decline. If you tap Accept, the AirDrop will come through within the same app it was sent from. For example, photos appear in the Photos app, or app links open in the App Store so you can download or purchase the app. If you AirDrop something to yourself, like a photo from your iPhone to your Mac, you won't see an option to accept or decline. It will automatically get sent to your device. Just make sure that both devices are signed in with the same Apple ID. And that's it. I'm using AirDrop to send files between MacBook and iPhone, and in my opinion, it works very well. Sending large video files between those two devices is fast, and I could do it wireless, which is huge simplification. Thank you for watching and see you later.